you're watching this video, that means you have taken the decision to use our school ERP, and most prominently you have taken a decision to use our learning management system, which is one of the most robust learning management system that India has. This school ERP is entirely free for those people who are opting for our learning management system. This is a universal universal school ERP that can be used by anyone. So let me show you what all you get. So I'm logging in as a principal, okay, and the moment I log in, I will be taken to my profile wherein I can update my information and my image and everything, and as you can see, I can use my Zoom API and Secret to conduct online classes and all. You can use both paid and free Zoom APIs to do this work. Now let me take you to school ERP, what all you get in this system. Now this principal owns 4 different schools, as you can see. These all are societies. This principal is running schools in all of these societies. Now let me show you what all you get. So right now, as a principal, when you log in, you get to see the 4 schools, and then you can decide which school you want to see. So if you click on any of the school, this school will open, and this school will open, and this will show you your dashboard. Now this is a single platform where you get to see everything that as a principal you need to see. So you see total classes, total sections, total students, total students who are active, total inquiries that you have received so far, then inquiries active, transferred to other school, transferred to your school, total invoices, paid invoices, unpaid invoices, partially paid invoices, total payments, payment received, amounts pending, expenses, income, exams with published timetable, exams with published admit cards, exams with published results, total admins that you have in your school, total roles that you have created, total staff that you have, staff which is active, total books that your library has, total library cards that you have issued, total books that you have issued, and total books which are returning pending to the system. And this school has no transport setup done, so it has transportation vehicles are not, routes and vehicles are not added. That is why you are not seeing the the transport part on the dashboard. What I wanted to tell you is, this is a platform where everything is available on cloud. Let me show you. This is a very, very user friendly and responsive platform wherein you can use it on any of the screen sizes. You might be using a mobile phone, you might be using a tablet, you might be using a PC. Whatever you are using, you can use it on any of the system, and you don't need a desktop to operate this. You can do everything on mobile. Now let me just show you an example. So say for example you are taking admission. Now how this tool is going to make your life easy. So this is a form, this is a digital form wherein you can you can fill in all the information that you need to do, and then if you are supposed to upload proofs, once you are on mobile, you click on this, it will give you an option to either pick a file from a folder, or you can click a direct photograph. So your parents, your staff or your kids, they are not supposed to carry any photocopies or anything. They can carry the original. You will take the snapshot and you will have it in your database. Everything can be handled. You can add your fee types. Fee types can be monthly, quarterly, half yearly, annually, and you can add your fee types, as many fee types as you wish. If you want to remove, you can remove. Auto addition of fee types is also possible if you have your fee types enabled in your accounting. So if you'll go to accounting and you come to fee types, so fee types is not added here. So if you add your fee types, say for example, let me show you. Say for example, I'm adding a fee wherein I say admission charges, okay, and I select all, okay, It is a one-time payment, auto-generate invoice and submission, and dashboard disable. So dashboard disable is if you not pay this, dashboard will not be accessible. Okay. Now let me put a charge here. That 2,500 rupees I paid. I put. Okay. Now let me go again to academic student, and now let me take an admission. The moment I go to an admission, and here I select a class. The moment I select Playway, I think if you come, you see 2,500 rupees automatic gets added. So you know, it is a very robust platform wherein you should know how you know, it can make your life easy. Every school has got its own settings means every school has the possibility to have its own general setup, its own email carrier, what email carrier you want to use. If you have your own SMTP, you can use. All email templates has already been designed. You just need to tweak in your information and just enable it, and you are all set to be done. So email templates are there, SMS carrier we have given, whatever all prominent SMS service providers we have listed. SMS template is already designed and done. Payment method is already designed and done. We have Razorpay and Paytm for India. You can even have bank transfer and all. We are offering this service on entire globe. So we have even our customers in South Africa as well. That is why we have payment gateway for South Africa, like Kenya, Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda. We've got almost 1,000 schools there. Now in admission inquiry, registration, you know, your dashboard, what all you want to show on your dashboard, your short codes, your charts, you know, your live classes, how you want to work on. Okay, and then comes this enable logging in or not, or whatever. So you see, every school has its own. So what I'm saying is, every school can have its own payment you know, payment mechanism. Every school can have a different bank account. Every school's money will go to that account. We are not involved here. We are just offering you this school ERP, and this school ERP is a tool wherein you at a single place you can access all of your schools at one place and see what is happening, and you know, it's very robust. For academics, you can see you have class sections, subjects, timetable, attendance, student leaves, study material, homework, notice board, events, live classes. You go to students, you see dashboard, admission, students. You can add students, you can have their iCards, you can promote them, you can transfer them, you can issue certificates, and you can create notifications that will go to those students. Then you see dashboard, admins, you know, you can create your own roles. Now let me show you a very powerful mechanism to go. So say for example, you want to create a role and you want someone to manage invoice. So you say invoice manager. Okay, and then what do? You just give him delete invoices, manage invoices. Okay, that's it. So he is an invoice manager. So you add a role. The moment you click on add a role and you go to view roles, you see you have this invoice manager. Now you can simply go to a staff list and you can add a staff which will have this user has Superboss access, and at the same time you can give access for this invoice management. So you see, you can manage the roles, you can manage the access, you can manage what is visible to whom. Everything can be controlled, and as you can see here, you only see your school and your profile. That's it. You don't see nothing. Now let me be very open here, guys. I have got more than 150 schools using this this particular ERP right now. More than 150 schools who are using this ERP right now in India. And thousands of schools are there which are abroad, because you know this ERP and all on cloud is a new culture in India. This pandemic and all has paced it up. Otherwise, people were not ready for, you know, to bring it live even for coming 1 or 2 decades. But no issues. Now this platform is live and you guys can use it. The moment you go for our LMS, the school ERP is entirely free. We have got an application for it. We are making it. 1st of January, you will have application at your disposal.